Hey y'all, I look super crazy right now, but this is the start of my maintenance vlog, birthday vlog. I'm going to get my feet done, and then I have an appointment at 2:30 to get my nails done. We gotta start the process. Like, I gotta feel like a bad bitch. It is the 29th, so I'll be starting stuff early because y'all know how it be when you trying to get your hair done, or if your birthday is at the beginning of the year and you just don't be knowing how hairstylists and entrepreneurs be like doing their business and like when they open in their books. So it's like I have to get my stuff done extra early. If you know, you know. But yeah, all right y'all, so I'm at the nail salon. It is currently 10:04, so that gives me a little wiggle room to get my feet done, relax, and then go get my nails done. So yeah, I pretty much want this vlog to be just real and just like aesthetically pleasing to watch. I don't really want it to be like too much. I want my vlogs to be different all the time, but I also want them to have like some type of form of sequence, if that makes sense. But I'm gonna show you guys when I get in there. Hopefully they don't start tripping and like doing too much about me recording, because you know how some people be when you be recording or whatever. Yeah, I just want you guys to like enjoy the vlog, enjoy everything I'm gonna show you guys, because I feel like it's gonna turn out really good, especially like with the content that I'm planning on getting in this video.
It's driving me crazy. Okay, wrist so wet I might dry. Bitch, don't talk, you going out tough. I done made 6 half for the whole week. Plug wanna play, then I'm going OT. I done made 4, 5, 7 on what? I hop in that scat and I'm better your block. Nigga want scrap, well let it go rock. My little nigga got it, I bet he gon' pop. I can make 10 off face, no feeling 6 dot like krillin'. I'm smoking gorilla. Couple my niggas just caught that nigga that was running off dog. I know they gon' kill him. Smoking no killer and taking your bitch on that trip, and I'm fucked on the floor of my villa. I ain't got time for 2 things.
Alright y'all, so I went to Chipotle for lunch just to waste time until my nail appointment. I'm gonna show y'all what I get from Chipotle. So this is what I get from Chipotle. I get cheese, lettuce, sour cream. My protein is queso. I mean, not queso. It's what is the name of that? It's sofritas. Sofritas is basically tofu. It's that thing like right there. Yeah, so I get that with brown rice, pinto beans, and that's what I get. Pinto beans, queso, lettuce, tomato, sour cream, very fattening, yes I know. Sour cream and queso. It's really good. Oh, corn too. I get corn too. So yeah, I like it. It's tasty to me. It don't taste nasty. The queso, I mean not the queso, the sofritas is very spicy, like, you know, but I just hate when they put so much lettuce. Like, they just be doing too much. And sometimes I be wanting to get a burrito, but I feel like the burritos be soggy and I don't like that, so I just get a bowl. It's a little salty today. But it's good.
keep tripping, I don't want your man, though. You a fan, hoe. Little bitch place you up out your spot. I heard you was fucking in the bed, though. I'm just saying, though. I done heard about you, bitch, you ain't low. They still keep close to get that shit like Doug. You don't know that, hoe. No Doug, bunny, all honey. I'ma take that dick, don't run from it. These days can't get no love from me. He addicted like I drugs on me. When we done, might fuck your home. Hit him one time, he ain't heard from. Say I'm ice cold, put a fur on. Might have a bitch, but nothing like that. Y'all know that hoe like me. That fuck it up like me. That sex souls like me. Got him begging on his knees, bitch. You know that hoe. A 10, a face to make him spin. Get your buzz up, I run it up, and I bet I do it again. That sound chain like this, rock chains like this, 100,000 on my wrist. Really on this bitch. That sound chain like this, rock chains like this, 100,000 on my wrist. Really on that bitch. LV my carrier, Marlboro on my interior, flying inside a Lyric too. Black truck, know it's bulletproof. Don't approach me, bitch. Who is you? I'm a starter, bitch. I bench you. You the same chick, ain't nothing new. Y'all in design, don't man home like me. That fuck it up like me. That sex souls like me. Got him begging on his knees, bitch. You know that hoe. A 10, a face to make him spin. Get your buzz up, I run it up, and I bet I do it again. That sound chain like this, rock chains like this, 100,000 on my wrist. Really on this bitch. That sound chain like this, rock chains like this, 100,000 on my wrist. Really on that bitch. Chocolate vanilla can't hide, so I hopped out the dealer. I caught a new car, not tinted. Won't lie, little bitch had a nigga down, but now they don't out of my feelings. I'ma stack the money so tall in the crib, it be looking like the roof came out of my ceiling. Soon as I hop in, I zoom, scooping that bitch like a spoon. I got this F in the scene like that bitch is in tune. Look at it fade when we walked in the room. Ayy, 35 Mac 10s. Ayy, I kill me, play my back end. Fucking that show, and I'm making her back bend. After my niggas walk in, we tagged in. Ayy.
Alright, y'all, so I just got my eyebrows done. They don't really look grown for real. Like it looks like something, but I don't know. I think I'm gonna have to fix this one when I go home. Okay, right now I'm at Zaxby's. I'm about to try this order. I'm gonna read y'all my order. Boneless wings and things, hot honey mustard wing sauce, extra wet, 2 spicy Zax sauces on the side to dip the fries in, and tenders in, and a medium Sprite light ice. So yeah, I'm about to try that order. I'm gonna see how it tastes and whatnot. I also have to go to Target because on my actual birthday tomorrow, I'm going to the spa. It's called Balian Springs, so I'm going there tomorrow. I plan to be there around like 1, from 1 to like maybe 4. I don't know, depending on how it is, because it's a lot of spaces and different, you know, pools and stuff and rooms. So I really want to enjoy myself on my birthday, to be honest. So that's what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I think I'm also gonna do pink taco after. and then bring it on home because I got a whole full week of festivities for my birthday. So I'm gonna bring y'all along with me, of course. But yeah, I'll check in with y'all when I get to Target because I'm going to find some bathing suits for tomorrow. Yeah, your girl body not right to get a 2-piece or to be comfortable enough for a 2-piece. I need to lose weight. There's a lot of things I'm trying to do 2023, the same stuff that I was trying to do last year. But I feel like this year is, you know, my serious year. Like, I'm really about to take my time with stuff and just get stuff done. Stop playing around. More the story. But yeah, I'll see y'all when I get to Target. They can't hear you in my AirPods in. I look crazy, but it's so windy out here.
For a dog, even $10 for a dog is crazy. Anything over $2,000 is crazy. How much would you pay for it?
Not that much.
I wouldn't. I'm gonna take your shelter. You got my picture of
Where you get your dog from?
I got my dog for somebody that breeds dogs.
Oh.
But I wouldn't mind getting my dog from the shelter. It's just,
There's nothing wrong with the dog.
no, I don't want a dog. I want a puppy. Fresh out the puppy.
Sometimes when dogs don't be lost, sometimes somebody has a dog and they give it to the animal shelter.
Did I pull this thing from that good? Okay.
Thank you.
I'm putting range and honey mustard at the same time.
Thank you.
Y'all work
Together, we are kitchen extender.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
We can take it off the charcoal because otherwise it's gonna
Okay.
Corners in the paddock, get my piece. I'm pushing P. Got no drama for my piece. You don't want no peace.
But when you
Got me running
put it
up to the peas. Drop the data, now we plotting. Side the peas. She not a lesbian for peace. She turned lesbian. Push P. I'm pushing P. On capital P, I write the president, count presidents. P's on her knees, mopping down P. She let me squeeze and she leave, cause she keep P. Private suite, privacy, bitch, I'm pushing P. Purple paint, pussy pink, bitch, I'm pushing P. Push P, I'm pushing P. Push P, I'm pushing P. Yeah. Push P, I'm pushing P. Push P, I'm pushing P.
Let me know when you're ready.
I'm a P, I'm paranoid. I keep the shit, I just deep. Got rest on me, why they watching me? I'm pushing P. Pushing P. Pushing P. Pushing P. That's it. About a pink Caterpillar Porsche. Push P. 3 P's popcorn Porsche. Push P. I just want a cup of water. Push a P, red bandana card.